Certainly, Terramow is an exciting innovation in lawn care. It's an upcoming robotic mower that stands out for its wire-free design, no boundary wires or RTK needed. Here are some key features. Wire-free operation. Unlike traditional robot mowers, Terramow doesn't require any boundary wires. It uses advanced AI vision technology for navigation. Adjustable cutting height. Terramow can cut grass at heights ranging from 1 to 3 inches. Cutting width. It has an 8 inches cutting width, making it efficient for various lawn sizes. AI vision and obstacle avoidance. Terramow uses real-time obstacle avoidance powered by AI vision. It can categorize 3D objects on the fly. Autonomous mapping. Terramow's autonomous mapping feature eliminates the need for manual setup. It combines visual SLAM technology with built-in motion sensors for accurate positioning, even in complex areas like narrow pathways or under thick tree cover. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Terramow. Pros: AI vision system, precise autonomous mapping, real-time obstacle avoidance, multiple mowing modes, wire-free design, customizable edge cutting. Cons: limited information, new product, terrain limitations, security concerns. Overall, the Terramow offers a compelling set of features with its AI vision system, wire-free design, and multiple mowing modes. However, limited information on functionalities, being a new product, and potential limitations warrant waiting for reviews before purchasing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.